Simple tapping exercise. We're starting off on the 12th fret right here, and we're just going to use these 3 strings, and then you're going to bar the 5th fret right here. Okay, we're going to start it off with the 12th. Just going to go up like that. Okay, without distortion for right now, just so you can see what I'm doing. And then we're going to move it up, so we're going to go 11. Go slow. And eventually you want to work it up so you can play it a little bit faster. And that's just a nice little pattern that you can use in your solos, and it also helps out making your pinky finger a lot stronger when you're playing these taps right there. So let me know if this was useful to you. If you like some taps or more insight on this exercise, leave me a comment. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. It helps out the channel quite a bit. I'll see you on the next one.